Hello, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the guest user account in Windows 11 or Windows 10 using command prompt. The guest account allows someone to use your computer without accessing your personal files or settings. While it's disabled by default, you can easily manage it using a few simple commands in command prompt. Let's get started. Open the search menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted by User Account Control. In Command Prompt, type the following command. Press Enter. You should see the command completed successfully. To turn off the guest account, type this command. Press Enter. You will see the success message again. Restart your computer to see the guest account on the login screen. That's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled the guest account on your PC. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.